Simple distillation is used widely in producing drinking water from seawater, making essential oils from plants, producing fuel from crude oil, and creating perfumes. It's also used to make distilled water for car batteries and medical equipment. Believe it or not, you probably benefit from distillation before you even get out of bed in the morning. That gasoline in your parents' car? Distillation. Your mom's fancy perfume? Distillation. Even that bottle of pure water you used to fill your fish tank went through distillation. It's like the secret superhero of separation methods, quietly making our modern lives possible without getting much credit. My favorite example to share with students is perfume making. It's basically just convincing flowers to give up their smell through distillation, kind of like getting a teenager to share their secrets. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.